This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson, you will learn how to organize information in a worksheet by sorting data in Excel. As you add more content to a worksheet, organizing this information becomes especially important. You can quickly reorganize a worksheet by sorting your data. Content can be sorted alphabetically, numerically, and in many other ways. Select a range in the column you want to sort. On the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group. To quick sort in ascending order, click Sort A to Z. When sorting data, it's important to first decide if you want the sort to apply to the entire worksheet or just a cell range. Microsoft Excel finds data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. What do you want to do? Expand the selection, continue with the current selection. Only in rare cases you would want to use the second option of continue with the current section. So be careful here. In most cases, you will need to select the expand selection option. Excel will automatically select all the columns adjacent to the column you had selected. Then Excel will sort the column selected by you and also change data in all columns to preserve the data integrity. Also, we can use quick sort in descending order. Quick sort Z to A. To choose more options, such as sorting by multiple columns and rows, on case-sensitive rows, we can use custom sort. In the Sort pop-up window, in the Sort by drop-down, choose the column on which you need to sort. And then choose the parameter that you want to sort on. For example, I choose set color that orders yellow on top and blue on bottom. You can also add another level with different parameters. For instance, I choose column E to sort on cell values. I check my data as headers box to separate headers from sorting data. As you can see, the result has been combined by two parameters that have been chosen. You can select sort options if you want to sort data from top to bottom or left to right. You can also select whether you want sort operation to be case sensitive or not. After making choices, click OK. When you will select Custom List option, a new box will open. In this Custom List dialog box, you should type your custom order in the box given on the right-hand side. Type first item, then type second item, and so on. Make sure that while you are typing, new list is selected in the left-hand side box. Remember, your list should be in exactly the same order that you want Excel to follow while sorting. For example, I choose San Diego, Dallas, and San Jose in order. Now, click OK button to complete the sort process. And the results will be just as we wanted. the city column has been sorted according to the newly defined custom order. Rows with beginner come first, then come the rows with intermediate and rows with advanced course level come in the end. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.